Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to see data history in My Files Lab on your Samsung Galaxy device. So inside Samsung's My File apps, there's a hidden feature that shows data usage history for files, including what you have downloaded, transferred, or modified. So let me show you how you can find this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the My Files. Now in My Files, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots and you're looking for Settings. Now if you go ahead and scroll down, you're looking for My File Labs. Now, if you don't see this hidden menu, go ahead and open up About My Files. Go ahead and tap 7 to 8 times until you see a message saying Enable My File Labs. Go back, and then you'll get this new menu, My File Labs. Tap on this, turn it on, and here you need to go ahead and find Developer option. Tap on that again, then find Data History. So to use this, you need to grant the Usage Data Access permission. So this allows us to make a report which apps are occupying the storage much. So go ahead and turn this feature on and then tap on it. And then this will give you a data history of your phone. So as you can see, there's image, video, audio, document, installation files, and compression files. So these are all color coded. So you can go ahead and see what color relates to what. A total of 124 GB is being used. You can go ahead and categorize this by apps or categories. If you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see all the images and all the photos that you have recently accessed. So here you can track changes, downloads over time. This is useful for monitoring storage usage. It helps identify large files or unnecessary downloads. And this is perfect for troubleshooting storage problems. This gives you a forensic style insight into your file activity. So there you go, guys. That is how to see data history in My File Labs on your Samsung Galaxy device.